Hi, today we will be working on Module 6, Lesson 2, Problem Set. You should have worked on this today in your lessons. We're going to go over this so you can check your answers. Let's start with question 1. Write a repeated addition equation to show the number of objects in each group. Then find the total. Each line in this sentence is going to represent the number of groups. So we have 1, 2, 3 blanks before the equal sign, and we have 1, 2, 3 groups. The number that we put on each line is going to represent the number in each group. So if we look here, we see that we have 1, 2. 2 pencils in one group. So we're going to put a 2 here. In our second group, we have 1, 2. And in our third group, 1, 2. Oops. We know that 2 plus 2 equals 4, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. So 3 groups of 2 equals a total of 6. Let's move on to part B. Part B has groups of bears. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces before the equal sign, which must mean that we have 4 groups. But let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now remember, the number that we put on each line is going to represent how many bears are in each group. So for my first group, I have 1, 2, 3 bears. In my second group, I also have 3 bears. In my third group, I have 3 bears. And in my fourth group, I have 3 bears. I know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. I know that 6 plus 3 equals 9. And I know that 9 plus 3 equals 12. So I have 12 bears total. 4 groups of 1, 2, 3 equals a total of 12. Next year, you'll be learning how to multiply, and you'll learn that 4 times 3 equals 12. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back if you've gotten parts A and B correct so far. Let's look at number 2 now. Number 2 says, draw one more group of 4, then write a repeated addition to match. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, and we want to add one more. Remember, this is an art class, so if you don't want to take the time to draw all of the socks, that's perfectly fine. In fact, I'm just going to use dots to represent my socks. So I see 4 socks in each group, so I'm going to draw 4 socks in this next group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can write my repeated addition sentence. Remember, the number of spaces tells you how many groups there are. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So we want to make sure we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces before the equals, and we do. Now, the number that we put on each line tells us how many is in each group. So in my first group, I have 4 socks. So I'm going to write 4. In my second group, I have 4 socks. In my third group, I have 4 socks. Fourth group, I have 4 socks. And in my last group, I have 4 dots technically, but they're supposed to be socks. All right, now it's time for me to find the total. I know that 4 plus 4 equals 8. I know that 8 plus 4 equals 12. I know that 12 plus 4 equals 16. And I know that 16 plus 4 equals 20. If that gets too confusing for you, you can double check by counting all of the items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. My numbers match, so I know that I've got the correct answer. I can finish my problem by finishing this sentence. 5 groups of 4 equals 20. Now next year when you go to 3rd grade, you'll be able to say this as 5 times 4 equals 20. Let's go ahead and move on to problem 3. Problem 3 says, draw one more group of 3, then write a repeated addition equation to match. So far we have 1, 2, 3 groups. I want to add one more group of 3. Remember, this is an art class, so it's okay if we just do dots. 1, 2, 3. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, which means I should have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines before the equals. Remember, my lines represent the number of groups. The number that I put on each line tells me how many are in each group. So in my first group, I have 3 presents. In my second group, I have 3 presents. In my third group, I have 3 presents. And in my last group, I have 3 dots, but they're supposed to be presents. Now I want to add and see what my total is. I know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. I know that 6 plus 3 equals 9, and I know that 9 plus 3 equals 12. Again, if that's hard for you or if it gets confusing, go ahead and go back and double check by counting each item. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My numbers match, so I know that I got it correct. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 3 and a total of 12. 3rd graders might say 4 times 3 equals 12. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back if you've gotten them all right so far. And if you haven't gotten them all right, that's okay too. Just make sure that you figure out where you made your mistake. Let's move on to number 4. Number 4 says, draw 2 more equal groups, then write a repeated addition equation to match. Now this is important. It says draw 2 more groups, okay? In the previous problems, I've been drawing 1 more group. For this problem, I have to draw 2 more. Now, instead of drawing hearts, I'm going to stick to my dots because I want to make sure that I'm doing this fast and focus more on my math. So I have 1 more group of 2, 2 more groups of 2. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 2 total, which means I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces before my equal sign. Remember, the spaces tell you how many groups we have. The number that I put in each space will tell me how many is in each group. In my first group, I have 2 hearts. In my second group, I have 2 hearts. In my third group, I have 2 hearts. In my fourth group, I have 2 hearts. And in my fifth and final group, I also have 2 hearts. I know that 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 8 plus 2 equals 9. I'm sorry, 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Whoops, that's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. Another way you could have done this is you could count each individual heart to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or you could have counted by 2s to find your answer. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm going to finish my sentence. Remember, I have 5 groups. So 5 groups of 2 equals 10. Or 5 times 2 equals 10. Let's look at our 5th and final problem. It says, draw 3 groups of 5 stars. Then write a repeated addition equation to match. I'm going to take my paint. I'm going to do yellow since I know my stars are yellow. And I'm going to draw 3 groups of 5 stars. I'm going to go ahead and draw my groups first. I want 3 groups. And in each group, I want 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 4, 5. Now I can write my repeated addition sentence to match. Remember, the number of lines tells you how many groups you have. So I have 3 groups, which means I want to have 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And those are the lines before my equals. We're adding, so I'm going to do my plus sign. Now on each line, I need to write the number in each group. There are 5 in my first group, 5 in my second group, and 5 in my third group. I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10, and 10 plus 5 equals 15. To check, you could count each circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, or you could have counted by 5s. 5, 10, 15. Our numbers match. That's all that I have for you today.